Hi everyone, it's Mitchell Ram with the Rakesh Ram Group at Coldwell Banker West Shell. And today I want to show you one of our new listings, but something very, very special. It's at 6415 Morgan Road in Cleves. Now this is a miniature estate. We have over 6,000 square feet in total, 5 bedrooms on the second floor, but a large 6th bedroom, and that is our master suite on the first floor. 5 minutes to the Miami Whitewater Forest, 15 minutes to downtown. Now this property sits on 6.5 acres, but there is additional acreage available. Let's go inside and check it out. Now welcome inside. This home has so much to offer, but today I just want to give you a few of our highlights so you can really see this thing in person. One of my favorite parts is our large open concept, our family room, designer kitchen. Yes, we have the granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, but a ton of windows and plenty of room for natural light and vista views. Now, since we're on the first floor, I want to continue my next favorite highlight, which is going to be our master suite. Not only is the bedroom in this master very large, but we have an attached office, fine details throughout, the tray ceiling, and it leads into our newly remodeled master bath. We have double vanities, the walk-in closet, but attaches one of my favorite rooms in the house. And this is a hot tub room that has, once again, tons of room for natural light, and we can enjoy all the views this property has to offer. If you thought this first floor had a lot of space, let's go downstairs and check out our finished lower level. What's nice about our lower level here is we have 9-foot ceilings, so it does not feel like one of your traditional basements. We have plenty of space for entertaining, whether you want to set up a ping pong table, pool table, shuffleboard, have some friends over to hang out at the bar, and we can always relax in our movie theater with surround sound. This basement is a walkout basement, and that leads us to our final highlight, which is our backyard. This backyard has stunning river views. You should see it at night. Wow, it'll knock your socks off. But for more information or schedule a showing, please contact me at 513-703-7774.